Hello, teacher. My best day. My name is Lenny Martinez. I am 9 years old. My favorite sport is football. My favorite player is Cristiano Ronaldo. My favorite day was when I traveled to Quito in 2019 because was a very special in now new city. Went to the National Children Football Championship. I visit my family, my mother, my father, my brother, and brother, and dad, and uncle, and bus, and friends in Ireland, and my and club whose feet we located in the Horta Plaza. This is the biggest supermarket in Quito. In this place, we buy annual shoes. They had my fun beat my brother in the playground. On Saturday, the player match and it was very special because he made the best goal in my life. In the afternoon, we went and swam the pool with my friends. I find night we went to visit my house and pizza and tacos. Thank you for attention.